Let's solve this. It's saying if y is equals to this, we should find the y ds of this. We're going to use the general rule. Here, the y over the x is equal to, what we are saying is, move this to meet 4. Why? Let me use some analogy. S is saying, I'm tired of carrying 3. I'm tired. I said, don't complain, I will help you. So, you, this 3, come and join your friend, 4. S will not remain, but we are saying S, you must carry something. 3 minus 1. But we need to reduce it, to reduce the load on X. Okay? Then we continue. Minus 12. This S is also saying, what about me? Say, don't worry. 2 will come and join 12. But you must still carry something. That is 2 minus 1. Next is 3. We say plus 3. What is on top of this X is 1. Because it's alone. Even you that is looking at me, there's 1 on top of your head. Because you are just one person. So when you see like this, it means what? There is 1 there. What are we going to do? This one will come down to meet 3. Then we reduce this one by 1. That is a general. Now we have 12. If you see a constant like this, the differentiation of a constant is 0. But let's explain why it is 0. If you have this, it means you can say 12 multiplied by 1 is still 12. If I want to replace this one in terms of x, that is s raised to power 0, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. Okay? So this means 12s raised to power 0. Because we said the y, the s, y versus x, there is no s here. If there is no s, you don't have business here. It should be 0 naturally. But we want to explain why it is 0. Let's put this plus. 12 is here already. 0 will come and meet 12. It's already 0. See? Then we come back and reduce the 0 by 1. It's already 0. By putting the 0 here, it's already 0. Now we can come and solve this now. This multiplied by this is what? Is 12. This is s raised to power 2 minus this is 24. S raised to power 1 plus 3. S raised to power what? 0. This already 0 plus 0. Okay? Let's continue. So you can see in this place, this still remains the same. This is 24. We don't need to put the 1. This is 1. That is 3 multiplied by 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 is what? 3. So this 0 is gone. So this is the differentiation of what? Of the function we saw in this place. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.